If you're a photography enthusiast, hybrid content creator, or simply someone who loves sleek, powerful, compact cameras, then you're going to want to stick around. Because today, we're diving into everything we know so far about the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-E5. The rumor mill is heating up, and it seems Fujifilm is preparing to launch a model that not only continues the legacy of the X-E line, but could also reshape what we expect from lightweight mirrorless systems in 2025. For longtime fans of the Fujifilm ecosystem, the X-E series holds a special place. These cameras have consistently offered a stylish blend of retro charm and cutting-edge performance, making them a top pick for street photographers and travelers alike. Now, the upcoming X-E5 appears to raise the bar further with some truly game-changing upgrades. From powerful internals to ergonomic refinements and creative tools for videographers, this might just be one of the most versatile, compact systems we've seen from Fujifilm in years. Let's start with the heart of the rumors, the sensor. According to reliable sources and leaked specs, the Fujifilm X-E5 could feature the same 40-mount X-Trans CMOS5 HR sensor found in flagship models like the X-T5 and X-H2. This sensor is known for its exceptional detail rendering, superior color, accuracy, and outstanding performance in challenging lighting conditions. Bringing this high-resolution sensor into a more affordable, compact body would make the X-E5 an ideal tool for both amateur and professional photographers looking for a lightweight second camera. Pair that with the latest X Processor 5, and you've got a serious imaging powerhouse. This processor enhances everything from autofocus speed and accuracy to real-time video encoding. We're talking about smoother 4K and potentially even 6K video recording, more advanced film simulations, and better dynamic range straight out of camera. Whether you're capturing vibrant street scenes, cinematic B-roll, or detailed product shots, this combo of sensor and processor ensures the X-E5 is ready to handle it all with finesse. Now, let's talk design. Fujifilm is known for maintaining the elegant, minimal rangefinder style build in the X-E lineup, and that looks to continue with the X-E5. The body is expected to be sleek and travel-friendly, but new rumors suggest we might see improved grip ergonomics and button placements for easier one-handed operation. For content creators who are always on the move, these subtle upgrades can make a major difference in usability and comfort during long shoots. And the biggest physical change? A fully articulating LCD screen, a first for the X-E series. This rumored addition would unlock new possibilities for vloggers, travel creators, and street shooters alike. From low-angle shots and creative self-portraits to dynamic on-the-go filming, this pivoting screen turns the X-E5 into a powerful tool for hybrid creators who need flexibility in both stills and video capture. It's a feature modern mirrorless. Cameras in 2025 can't afford to skip. Beyond visuals, we're also hearing whispers about enhanced weather sealing. Unlike its predecessor, the X-E4, which was light but not especially durable, the X-E5 might be built to better withstand dust and moisture. This would make it a far more viable option for outdoor photography, nature shooting, and travel blogging, especially in unpredictable environments where gear needs to be tough yet portable. And speaking of hybrid features, the rumored 6K video recording capability could be a huge upgrade for YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and social media storytellers. 6K allows you to crop, reframe, and downscale to sharper 4K without losing detail, all within a small form factor that doesn't scream professional rig. The X Processor 5 might also reduce rolling shutter artifacts, improve heat dissipation, and deliver clean footage even in extended shoots, which is crucial for creators who need reliability. Another potential upgrade that's generating buzz is audio input flexibility. One of the biggest critiques of the X-E4 was the absence of a dedicated headphone jack, which made monitoring audio during video shoots nearly impossible. If Fujifilm addresses this in the X-E5, either through a built-in jack or enhanced USB-C audio support, it would significantly boost its appeal for vlogging in 2025 and beyond. Image quality isn't just about megapixels, it's also about tone, texture, and lighting control. That's why the rumored expanded dynamic range is such a big deal. Whether you're shooting a cityscape at golden hour or navigating the harsh contrasts of indoor lighting, the X-E5 might give you more latitude in editing and better in-camera results. This makes it appealing not just to pros, but also beginners seeking excellent output without too much post-processing. For action and event shooters, there's more to love. The X-E5 is rumored to support burst rates up to 20 FPS with the electronic shutter, enabling you to freeze fast-paced scenes with confidence. Combine that with internal RAW processing and flexible film simulation tweaks right inside the camera, and you're looking at a mirrorless tool that can adapt to almost any photography style on the fly, whether you're on the streets, at a wedding, or shooting sports. Fujifilm has also been making strides in AI-powered autofocus, and the X-E5 might benefit from these advancements. Expect smart subject tracking that includes face, eye, animal, and vehicle detection, all of which help creators maintain focus on the moment rather than fiddling with menus. This improved tracking is especially helpful for street, documentary, and wildlife photography, where moments can disappear in an instant. One particularly exciting feature floating around in the rumor space is in-camera focus stacking. This is a feature that has typically been reserved for high-end or full-frame systems. If Fujifilm can implement this in the X-E5, it will allow users to shoot several frames at different focus depths and merge them automatically for pin-sharp results, a boon for macro and product photography, where depth of field matters most. Wow. The connectivity front, upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support could make image transfer and remote control via smartphone much more seamless. For photographers and influencers who share on the go, or remote shooters setting up tricky compositions, this streamlined connectivity will enhance workflow and convenience. A better connected camera means faster delivery of content across platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or even live sessions. All signs point to the Fujifilm X-E5 being a serious contender in the lightweight mirrorless category for 2025. It blends everything we love about Fujifilm: tactile dials, film emulation, portability, with features that appeal to modern creators. Whether you shoot landscapes, portraits, lifestyle content, or run a full-on YouTube tech channel, this could be the versatile camera you've been waiting for. The X-E5 may also serve as a compelling gateway camera for those just starting out in mirrorless photography. With its rumored mix of compact design, premium sensor, fast processor, and user-friendly features, it provides a well-rounded package that's ideal for hobbyists upgrading from smartphones or compact digital cameras. Yet it's still powerful enough to satisfy professionals looking for a secondary body. More than just a spec sheet, Fujifilm's legacy lies in its photographic philosophy, one that prioritizes user experience, manual control, and the joy of image making. If the X-E5 manages to balance that tactile joy with the technical muscle of modern cameras, it could become a future classic, much like the X100V has in its own niche.